Okay, guys, let me show you how I achieve this iconic eyeshadow look in few minutes. I'm starting with this dark purple around my outer V, concentrating the purple around my outer V on my outer V. Then whatever that is left on the brush, I'm going to use it to blend in the purple into my inner corners.
As the chemicals they take us higher, the nights.
Then once that is done, I'm going to use this dark brown and to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow, the purple eyeshadow, blend it into my brow bone. Then I'll go in with the same brown, dark brown, at the outer corners of my eyes. What I'm showing you, as you can see, I'm going to create a wing with it and blend it towards my temple. And again, with the blending brush, I'll blend everything into my inner corners again. Now is to cut the crease. I'm going to do a half cut, half crease. I'm cutting the crease with my concealer, a lighter concealer. After cutting the crease, I'll go in with the same purple, that purple, with this precise brush to deepen in the edges of the crease. Yeah, with the purple, just to make it deep with the purple. Then I'll go in with this lighter shade of eyeshadow on the crease. And that's it, guys. So simple. I'll apply the lighter shade. This shade, you can use any shade you like, but this shade I want to use, I'll apply it on the crease. Do I'm showing you. I pack. I say pack the color on the crease you created. And after applying the eyeshadow on the crease, I'll make sure to eliminate or to cancel any harsh line. I'll go in again with the purple eyeshadow on the edges between the eyeshadow, the purple and the lighter color. This is why I'm doing it. I'm going to swipe the purple on the crease just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Then next thing I'm going to do is to line my eyes with this gel liner. And for this look, no need to do a wing line. No, I'm not going to do something dramatic because the eyeshadow itself is dramatic. Then after applying the liner, I will put on my lashes, go off camera, complete my face. Then I'll come back to complete the eye look. Yeah, to complete the eye look, I'm going to use this black pencil, very dark charcoal pencil, to line my waterline, just to make my eyes pop out more. After lining it with the black pencil, I'll go again with the colors I use. I'm going to start with the purple color to smudge out the black pencil. Then after the purple color, this is what it looks like. I'll go again with the dark brown color to further blend out the purple color. And this is what my eye is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is the final look. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And I will see you in my next video.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.